fucking car. Let's stay calm now. What's wrong? No. No, I don't, bro. I
We got somebody doing changing out a front clip on this car. It looks like they've got all kind of parts inside. Looks like to me like they're doing doing some body work. Looks like the frame was bent right there. Anyway. You really can't do this kind of work, man, at these properties, man. They don't like people doing body work. They don't like people doing body work in their on their property. I guess this is the new piece they're putting in. Yeah, he's fixing to cut this whole front end off and put a whole new front clip on it and do it right here on property. They don't really allow you to do stuff like this on property. So we're gonna see how it goes, man. Anyway. See if they pop up. They're probably gonna show up. I think this guy's probably gone to the auto parts store to get some auto parts. Here he is too. He just pulled up just like I thought. Where'd this car go? I know. How you doing? You're gonna have to pay the drop fee because you can't take them apart and work on them here. Which one? The RAV4? Is it yours? I'm not trying to make it hard on you. It's just my job. If the car's wrecked in the front, and in the office I got a list to tow, and they said to tow, they basically said to tow the cars that are not fixed. So it's up to the office man for you to leave it here, but you're gonna have to pay a drop fee.
Yeah, 1 moment for this.
Okay. Yeah, I understand. I picked up all the tools out of the yard and the jumper cables and put everything back in the car. And I understand your situation. I do, and I'm not trying to make it hard on you or be mean. They're actually very, very nice people, man. They really are. Unfortunately, it don't matter if they're nice or not. The office is probably going to give this guy a day or two to get his car fixed and get it done. And I bet that by Monday, if they don't get it fixed, they'll probably wind up towing it again. Anyway, I'm gonna go drop it for him for the $100 drop fee, and they'll have to get it fixed. Hey there, it's a tow trucker here. This is just a regular tow here, except for the fact that this guy's girlfriend, what have you, fiance, whatever, got mad at him, and she cut all 4 tires on this car, and broke that side mirror. But she, like I said, she flattened all 4 tires. Let's go inside and look inside. Took both mirrors out. Cut the seats with a pocket knife. Ripped down the camera assembly that goes with the rear view mirror, and destroyed the I guess that's the GPS unit that was there. But yeah, she destroyed this car. I don't know what exactly he did to her. Whatever he did, boy, he upset her pretty bad. Anyway, it's a body shop. Guess the insurance claim will have to fix it. Anyway, appreciate it.